everyone, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jidani and today I am going to invade someone's bag and I am so excited because I love snooping around, so this is going to be fun and great. In this video, I have two special guests with me, Amy and Isel, and they're going to share what's in their bag. So if you ever wonder what's in a skincare company employee's bag, then keep on watching. Also, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Let's go! Alright, so we are here with Amy!
Hi!
Woo! And this is her bag. Alright, so can you tell us what's in your bag?
Okay, so which one is first? My cell phone.
Alright, your cell phone. It's a must.
And tissue.
That's a big tissue.
Yep. And my wallet.
Your wallet. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, there's several cards and coupons. Meter.
Mm-hmm.
This one is my go-to lip.
Mm-hmm.
Moonshot
Moonshot.
502. And the
Ooh.
color is like this. Coral
Ooh.
orange.
Yeah.
Coral orange color.
Yeah. Ooh, it's very pretty.
Yeah.
So that's your go-to lip.
This one is bandage.
That's cute.
This one is so cute, isn't it?
You can tell she likes characters for sure.
And you know what is it?
Yes, ladies, we know what's in there.
I have a big pouch.
Whoa, this is a huge
makeup pouch.
Okay, so this is her. We're gonna look into it later.
Okay.
Keep it there.
And hand cream.
Hand cream. Ooh, yeah. During winter time, you really need your hand creams.
And I always need the charger and battery.
External charger, is that what they call?
I have a mint.
Mint, yes. Sometimes you get stinky breath.
And
Not her.
This one is
Buzz, yes.
Buzz.
Earphones.
And this one.
Ah, wait, what is this for?
This
you
one,
just have a
you know what?
carry around?
Yeah. It's USB.
Oh my gosh, what? This is scary. It's like
It's a character named Neo.
Nail.
Neo.
This is the famous Korean Kakao Talk character.
And it's cat.
So what's in the USB?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Not yet.
Nothing. Oh, not yet. All right.
But it's cute.
It's cute. I agree. Right.
And it's done.
And it's done. All right. So now the most important thing, we need to look at her makeup pouch. This big makeup pouch. All right. So now we have displayed Amy's makeup right here. We're gonna go look into it. All right. So which one should we start first?
Okay, so from here to there.
Okay. Good.
So it's Korean's must-have item, kind
Right.
of. Yeah, so it's easy to use because it has a clip here.
So it's for your bangs and your fringe, right?
Yeah. Comb.
Oh.
It's a small size,
Oh.
so you can flip it.
That's cute. It's also for your bangs.
And this one is a Q-tip, and it has an oil inside, so you can easily remove your makeup.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's like to fix your makeup?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Wow. So many good things out there.
Try this. That's
Oh.
for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm going to put it right in here.
And this one is another Q-tip and small size.
It's tiny. It's like
So tiny,
this big.
tiny. And these are my sanitizer gel and tissue.
It's very important, especially
These
these
days.
days. You know, Rona.
And this one is my cushion. I bought it because it's so cute.
Yeah.
And the color is red.
Yeah, it's like cherry pie.
It's Roman number 2, natural 21.
It's really cute. That's
This
cute.
shade.
I like that. And it's very small too, so you can just take it anywhere in your pouch.
And this one is fixing powder.
Yes. This one is a lot of Korean YouTubers swears by this.
Yeah. This one also Korean YouTubers.
Yeah.
Love
They
it.
love this. They love these two products. Korean YouTubers, they love it, and so I feel like many Koreans have them, you
Yep.
know.
And
yes.
my eyeshadow palettes. This one is 3CE. Dry bouquet color. Ta-da!
Ta-da! It's very pink.
I love these colors. Two are my base color, and these three, my point color.
Oh, so you'll put this on first and then add these three colors at the top.
It's my daily palette.
Daily palette.
If I want more bling, I only use this color.
Oh yeah, she only uses this one. You can say.
Yeah, it's a Lunator beige. And I really love this Lily by Red. Number 1, Chongcho
Beam. I don't know what that is in English. Yeah.
It's quarter orange.
Ooh, yeah.
It's blush.
That looks really pretty. I like that color a lot.
Yay!
Yeah.
And this one is also 3C. And color Active Lady.
Active Lady.
And this color.
Wow.
Very pigmented.
It is very pigmented.
Red.
It's like orange.
Yeah. And this one is kind of red
orange.
It's a very similar colors, but it's different, you know.
Are they both matte?
Both matte.
Both matte. I like that. So she likes very pink and orange, that type, like coral.
Yeah. This one is lip balm.
Oh, lip balm. It's important because during winter, you know, lips, they get dry super quickly.
I really love the smell of this. It's kind of watermelon and bubble gum.
It's like a sweet candy flavor, that type of thing.
I really like it. And this one is VDL eye primer.
Eye primer.
And fixer.
Yes. Oh, I like this one too.
Fixer.
They have different ones.
Agreed House.
I like that.
And brown eyebrow.
Brown eyebrow.
Brown eye mascara.
Brown mascara.
Brown eyeliner.
Brown eyeliner. Okay, so we see a lot of browns here.
I love brown. And pink, orange.
And orange. So warm colors.
And this is my brushes.
That is smart.
A small pouch.
Yeah, to protect.
And I use toner kind of essence to remove my makeup.
To remove and fix and stuff.
And this is multi balm. So this is for babies, but I use it because it's very good to moisturize your skin. I use it for my lips, hands, everywhere.
So it's a multi-moisturizing balm.
And this one is kind of vintage MAC eye color. Eyelash color.
MAC eyelash curler. All right.
And that's it.
And that's it. Voila. And they all go into this bag. Alright, so thank you, Amy, for letting us snoop around your makeup pouch. Now we're going to move on to Iselle. So let's go for that one. So this is Iselle's bag, and we're going to see what's inside this nice beige bag. Yay! Now this is what I've been waiting for. Oh, you rich? You carry this with you? 이거 갖고 다니십니까? I had no idea.